Welcome to No Filler Fixes. So your Ninja Foodi DZ401 is making excessive noise during operation. Let's get it running quietly again. No filler. First, check if the appliance is sitting on a flat and stable surface. Vibrations caused by an uneven surface can amplify noise. Place the unit on a level countertop or add a non-slip mat underneath to reduce shaking. Next, inspect the fan for obstructions or debris. A blocked fan can cause loud rattling or grinding sounds. Turn off and unplug the appliance, then carefully clean the fan blades and surrounding area using a soft brush or cloth. After that, check the baskets and crumb tray for loose parts or buildup. Food particles, grease, or improperly placed components can rattle during operation. Remove the baskets and crumb tray, clean them thoroughly, and reinstall them securely. If the noise persists, inspect the motor housing for signs of damage or wear. A failing motor or loose screws in the housing can create unusual sounds. Refer to your user manual for guidance on safely checking these components. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, there could be an internal problem with the motor or fan assembly. In this case, contact customer support or consult a professional technician for further assistance. And there you go. Your Ninja Foodi should now operate more quietly. If these steps don't work, reach out to customer support for further help. We've left the links for customer support and the user manual in the description of this video.